What's up, guys? On the road, chilling. RollingStoner Authenticated. It's been a long time coming. It's been a long time investment. It's been a lot of innovation, a lot of strategy, and the idea is to build a trust badge for the end users, people that enjoy the cannabis culture. So I'm going to read, it's over there. I'm going to read it to you. Firstly, it's motivated by your mojo. It's about the mojo of the owner or the mojo of the owners. And a lot of time and effort has gone into sitting with owners and understanding their story, their vision, and all of those things, right? Being iconic, staying real, leading change. It's important that we do those things, especially for the benefit of the end user. So the first point is education and harm reduction. You've got to make sure that everything's done right. We want to keep harm out of the industry, out of the end user, and the only way we do that is educating people on an ongoing basis. Give people the truth and up-to-date info on all your products, the effects, the safer ways to enjoy it. Actively reduce harm by promoting responsible choices and real understanding. Break stigma through education and calm, judgment-free conversation. Cleanliness and safety. Keep your space clean. I've been to many places that are not clean, and it's not cool, especially for end users. It's basic, but it matters. Follow all the legal health and safety rules. No shortcuts. Protect privacy. Ensure your space feels safe, comfortable, and easy to be in for everyone. Service with soul is important. Right, Taz? It is. Greet everyone with warmth. Treat everyone, the customer, like they are a guest in your home. Make sure that your team is helpful, informed, and never condescending. Fast service is good. Kind, patient service is better, and aim for both. Product quality and transparency. Only stock what you'd be proud to use or recommend. Lab tested, ethically sourced, honest labeling. Make it easy for people to understand what they are going to choose. No smoke and mirrors. Knowledgeable, passionate staff. This is a big thing for me. Hire staff who actually care about the cannabis industry and know their stuff. Train your team consistently. Stay ahead of the laws, trends, and safety practices. Encourage questions. Celebrate curiosity. Be the place where people feel confident. And the last point, support those who made all of this possible, like Fields of Green for All. And we are now going to go and deliver the authenticated badge to the experiences and the people that have signed up to this long-term brand building exercise. And the bottom line is that we want to create the top 100 most recognizable, safe, mojo-inspired brands in South Africa. Don't just follow us, don't just like us, don't just share us. Keep rolling. Have a good day.